So you actually have some USD on your Bybit, yet you are unable to use it. Now if you try to withdraw it, you won't be able to see it on the P2P section, and if you try to use it to trade, you won't be able to see it as well on the trading section. So this is what you need to do. You need to watch this video to the very end so as to understand how you can actually fix this problem and make use of your USD. I'm not actually going to make this video to be that long. I want this video to be very short. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So looking right here on the screen is my homepage on my Bybit app. So if you have some USD on your Bybit but you're unable to use it, this is what you need to do. So right here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the assets icon. So when you click on that, just like this, you can see the total amount you have on your account. You can see funding account, you can see unified account. Now this is what you need to take note of. When that USD is on unified account, you won't be able to use it on P2P. So you need to actually move it. If it is on unified account, you need to click on unified account and click on transfer, just like this. So when you do that, just like this, move it from unified accounts to funding. Select coins, select USD, USDT, and input the amount you want to actually move to your funding account. After inputting it, you need to click on the confirm button and confirm that you want to actually move your money from unified trading accounts to funding accounts. That is the first step you need to actually take in order to fix this problem. The next step you can actually take if you're actually facing the problem. Now let's take for instance, you have that money in your funding account, but when you go to your P2P, you won't be able to see it in order for you to sell it or do anything with it. So right here, this is what you need to do if that is the problem you are facing. Looking here, you can see where it says assets. You can see accounts, you can see assets. Now clicking on assets just like this, you can see USDT. If you have USDT on your Bybit, clicking on it just like this. Now for some cases, that USDT might be trading on Bybit and you are unaware. Now let's take for instance, you received that USDT from an airdrop and it is currently trading on your Bybit, and you've not actually stopped the trade and you want to make use of it. You won't be able to make use of it because it's actually trading. So this is what you need to do if your USD is on your funding account but you are unable to use it. Right here, looking here, you can see where it says trade. You can see BTC/USDT. Once you click on that, looking here, you can see that. Once you click on that, you need to go ahead and click on sell. Then go ahead and select markets. Then input the total amount of USDT you are seeing on your Bybit. After inputting it, let's take for instance, it is 200 USDT. Looking here, you can see where it says sell. So once you click on that, it is going to actually sell the USDT and it is going to be moved into your funding account and it's going to stop trading if it is currently trading on your Bybit. So that is the second way you can actually fix this problem if you are facing this problem. Now going back to your home screen, after doing this, when you go to the more section on your home screen just like this and click on P2P, right here in your P2P section just like this, if you click on sell, input the amount. Now let's take for instance, the amount is 20,000 naira and filtered by showing, and click on filter and select show only verified advertisers and also show only eligible ads. Then click on confirm. So after you select the person you want to actually sell this USDT to, you're going to be able to see the available amount of USDT you have right here if you've actually solved the problem. This is where you're going to be seeing it. Now if you're not seeing it here, it actually means that you've not taken the steps I actually told you to take. So this is how simple it is to fix USDT showing in funding on your Bybit account but not usable. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, then you need to hit on the notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. This is what you actually do on this channel, providing solutions to you concerning apps and how to actually make money, how to fix app problems. This is what this channel is for. See you in the next one.